Friends, welcome to my channel Otunu Khatu. Today I am discussing about IPL match number 4 KKR versus Mumbai Indians. All as I am from Bengal, so my die-hard fan from KKR, so obviously no doubt. So first of all, I cover all the stats from the KKR one by one, and I have take my time, much time, but I have researched all about the players and the all in the all these things one by one. I clear about you. All player I don't go with the favorable for Mumbai or favorable for KKR. I go with my mind. One by one thing I clear here. So please see my all the full video and watch my full video and please support us. So now come to the first point. Dinesh Karthik. Dinesh Karthik is said captain of this KKR team, and so he played last year. He played. He's a good finisher. Last year he played 14 matches and scored 253 runs with a 97 high score and 146 strike. Ali Khan this year I have special word for him, and first time first time Ali Khan from USA is playing going to play IPL. So obviously he's player to watch out. And why Brendan McCullum bring Ali Khan as a replacement? Okay, so obviously you have to understand it. Just Ali Khan coming from CPL as a champion team. So obviously, his total T20s record he played 36 matches with a 38 wicket with 8.63 economy and a good death bowler. Tom Benton, we all know about Tom Benton. He's an excellent, talented player. He's an attacking, destructive mind like Brendan McCullum. So he played only 9 matches and scored 205 runs with a 71 high score with 143 strike rate. Pat Cummins, the highest bid of this year. His T20 international record will be he played the the T20 international record will be 30 match played and got 37 wicket with 6.93 good very good economy. Lockie Ferguson, you all know about Lockie Ferguson. He played 5 match last year and got 2 wicket with a 10.67 economy, not good. Then Chris Green, I have a lot of award about Chris Green. He played made various T20 leagues and in the world everywhere. He also a good. He this time he is a captain of CPL teams obviously. So he played everywhere. So 93 matches he played and scored 523 runs with a 124 strike. This time he will not contribute with this bat, but he's an excellent bowler. He got 74 for wicket with a 6.64 economy. Also, he's a bowler in a power play. Kuldeep Yadav last season very bad. He played 9 matches and got 4 wicket. I think 3 wicket he got in one match. So obviously he's a very bad economy. But this time I hope he will give some potential. Siddharth Lat also a young talented player. He played his T20 is equal to 44 matches with a 703 and with 82 high score and 122 strike rate. Ian Morgan is the captain of England team, and I have expect more from him. He played KKR in I think last year. I don't forget it, but he's played for KKR, and now this time he also coming to and as a player and he's a good middle order batsman. We all know about Keon Morgan. Then Komoles Nagarkoti. The team will with Komoles Nagarkoti from 2 years. He's not playing for his injury, but this time he is totally fit, and I expect more from Komoles Nagarkoti. He excellent young talented player. He played 9 matches with 131. He can contribute with his bat also. Okay, keep in your mind. We got 11 wicket with a 4.76 economy. 4.7 excellent economy. He can good bowler. Nikhil Naik. He last year played say one match, but this year I saw his practice matches. I also followed practice matches. Everything I have covered. That's why I take much time. But Nikhil Naik excellent. He is a hitter. If he play, he can tong the ball very much, and in practice he also go in a good form. Now coming to Sunil Narine, excellent player, and I those who are following CPL they all know about Sunil Narine very much. Why he has changed his action, and now his action will be literally totally changed. Those who are not seen, just wait for today's match and see the bowling action. Uh, no batsman can easily pick up this. Only one batsman can pick up easily. This is Pollard. I have many things about I have to discuss in my special edition in Sunil Nadi. Then coming to Prasidh Krishna. Prasidh Krishna is also a young talented player. Last year played 11 matches and got 4 wickets with a 9.34 equal. Nitish Rana is excellent young talented and also all-rounder player. He can contribute. I think he's can come in one down or two down. Also, he can contribute with his bowling also. When team needed wicket, he come to ball and he get wicket easily. So obviously, he's a good choice for captain, vice captain in Grand League. Then coming to Andre Russell. Andre Russell, know what for him. You all know about him, Russell Muscle. So obviously, you all waiting for Russell Muscle, and I have special somewhat from him, how he connected with this ground and how everything I have to discuss about it. Sandeep Warrior. Sandeep Warrior, excellent in practice match. Excellent, excellent. I think how team will be using or not. He's a excellent and he has a impressive in Brendan McCullum also. Shivam Mumbi also a excellent young talented player. He last year played 9 matches and got 5 wickets and 9.64 wicket. Sumon Gill. I have lots of word for Sumon Gill. I think this year he will come in upper order. Brendan earlier told I give you the news in my Telegram channel. And those are not in my Telegram channel, please join my Telegram channel. Link in the description. And I hope Suman Gill will be come to open or one down, and he is good record against Suman Gill, good record in Mumbai Indians. Last year he scored 75 in 31 balls in against Mumbai Indians. So and when KKR promoted Suman Gill has a excellent every innings, and he has practices many more, and this time we are full KKR team we expect from Gill, and I've seen practice matches also, and excellent Gill is an excellent. Last match you saw all Sanju Samson. I talk about Sanju Samson, and now I today I am talking about Sumon Gill. No, I am not talking about Dinesh Karthik. No others player. I am only talking about simple player Sumon Gill. Why I am talking about it? You have to understand. So you can must try him captain basket in Grand League. Okay. Now coming to Manimaran Siddharth, he is not he is a good bowler, but I think he's a left-arm orthodox. He played, then you can try him in Grand League. He played 5 matches and got 12 wickets, the 4.94 economy. Rinku Singh also a good hitter of the ball. He played 5 matches with 37 and 30 high score 100. Rahul Tripathi, if Rahul Tripathi can open the innings or he can come in the lower order. So obviously team will be decided how Rahul Tripathi will play. Last year he played 8 matches and got 141 run with a 50 high score on 190 strike rate. Barun Chakravarti is an excellent leg break bowler. So obviously all only 9 matches he got 22 wickets. So and very much discussing about Barun Chakravarti when he come to the team and when he got brought in IPL, bought in IPL. So obviously all about Barun Chakravarti. He's an excellent spinner and under 19 player. So obviously a good. We hope a good from him. So here I discuss all the stats from Kolkata Knight Riders one by one. Those who are new in my channel, they can go through this and also screenshot this stat. So now I coming to Mumbai Indians stat. Those who are new in my channel, please subscribe my channel. After subscribe, don't forget to press the bell icon. And so now I'm coming to Mumbai Indians stat. Come into the Mumbai Indians stat. I told earlier about Mumbai Indians player one by one. All stat I cover. Those who are new in my channel, please go through this, and also you can go my previous video also. So you can go through this also. You can screenshot it. So here I covered all the stat. I think today James Kundan, I think today Nathan Coulton will come into place of James Pattinson also. He's an excellent bowler and he's also a good he also played for KKR, so also he know about KKR. So I think Mumbai Indians can bag him, but due to injury he will not played, but hope so he will play. So last match Rohit Sharma scored. Last match Rohit Sharma scored 12, but Rohit Sharma played a good against KKR. Yes, I observed it. He played good against KKR. He played good against Eden Garden, but here is not Eden Garden. And last year he failed badly. I think he played one match. That match he batted in second innings, but when he batted in first innings, he will fail badly. So everything I will discuss about. I will take my time, but I will discuss one by one. So in my special tips section, please wait. Now coming to Decock. Decock is an excellent must try. He can give potential also. From his wicket keeping, is a good wicket keeper, no doubt. Surya Konado scores 17. Then Sourav Tiwari impressive all scored 42. Hardik Pandya 14. Pollard 18. Last match Kunal got 1 wicket and scored 3. Pattinson get 1 wicket and scored 11. Rahul Char get 1 wicket and scored 2. Bolt get 1 wicket and scored 0, and Bumrah get 1 wicket. So here I added the last match scorecard also. You can go through this. Now I come to my special tip section for those for that you are waiting. So here we come to my special tip section. IPL 2020 match number 4, KKR versus Mumbai. Mumbai Indians Probable 11. First I discuss about Mumbai 11 Probable 11. I think Rohit, Deacock, Surya Kumar, Saurabh Terry, Kiran Pollard, Hardik Pandya, Kunal Pandya. If one change, there will be James Pattinson on NCN. I think Nathan Coulter night. So team if Nathan Coulter fit, then straightly come into the team. Because he's contribute with his because he's contribute with his bat also. So obviously you can wait for it. Now then Rahul Char, Trent Bolt, Bumrah. This I think this is likely playing 11. No hope so. There are no changes for them. Now coming to the most important from KKR. All know about Mumbai Indians Pro 11. I hope KKR Pro 11. So now coming to Shubman Gill and Narine will open the innings. I hope so. Then coming Nitish Rana, then Neon Morgan, Dinesh Karthik, Andre Russell, Rahul Tripathi or Rinku Singh. Rinku Singh also can hit the ball in your hand and there's a potential to give some over. And one so now Pat Cummins, then Kuldeep, Nagarkoti, Prasidh Krishna or Sandeep Warrior. So there will choice for management who will start the innings. There will be the likely probable 11 for KKR. Now coming to my special tip section one by one, you have to understand one by one point. Okay. So first point about Rohit Sharma. Rohit Sharma, he's excellent, no doubt. He's also play good against KKR many times, but this time he's not in Eden Garden. So obviously you have to keep in your mind. So obviously you can try to drop him or take him. If batting in second innings, then must Rohit Sharma in your team. Okay, but if batting in first innings, then you can try to drop him. Keep in your mind he's a 10.5 credit, but you have to manage. Today you have a big problem to manage your credit, so obviously you can keep in your mind. So if batting first, then you try to risk on Rohit Sharma and take Surya Kumar Yadav. Why Surya Kumar Yadav? I talk about him. Then coming to my next point is KKR weak against Malinga and Hardik, both are not available for bowling side. Both are not available for bowling side. Why? Malinga is not participating in IPL this year, and Hardik I think for back pain he is not ball. He is not ball in last two matches. So I hope he will not. Sorry, he will not ball today. He will not ball today also. So one thing in last 2 years happening with, yes, obviously KKR weak against Mumbai Indians, and both all the matches the highest wicket taker will be one first Malinga, then Hardik Pandya, and then coming to Bumrah. This year there are no Malinga, there are no Hardik Pandya with his bowling, but he also obviously contribute with his bat, so obviously must in your team, and his excellent record in batting in KKR, so obviously must in your team. But one thing I clear to all, there is no Malinga, no Hardik Pandya to contribute with his bowling. So only there is Bumrah, and there is no. If you are choice about substitute of Malinga and Hardik, there is no same substitute bowler of Malinga in Mumbai. So obviously I think about it and I have taken my time to ever discuss it. So you can go through this. Now Russell and Karthik have excellent record against Mumbai. Russell and Karthik both are excellent record against Mumbai Indians. I think DK has taken 50 runs with 23 balls. He has faced Bumrah without dismiss. He faced Bumrah, but he not dismissed, and he get 50 runs in 23 balls. So obviously DK has a very good record. Then Russell has scored 49 of 33, being dismissed once. So both Russell and DK has a good record against Mumbai. So all player coming in favorable of Mumbai, but you have to understand the logic. Why I am talking about if I am fan of KK, that's why not I am talking. I am talking about the all logic. Yesterday I am not a fan of CSK, but yesterday I am talking about please try to take him Dhoni. Why I am saying to talk about Dhoni? Why I am saying about Murli Vijay? Murli Vijay is starting playing excellent. No, First Watson not getting the touch, but Watson score in 1 over. Murali Vijay scored everywhere, every over. So obviously you keep in mind. So then I go to discuss about Tewatia and Rian Porak. So obviously keep you in mind why I am go. Please go with logic. Yes, not so. I think all coming with Mumbai Indians favorable. All teams are coming with Mumbai Indians. So, but I have some point. I take my time for that. Now coming to Bolt, Bolt, Bolt. They are both score. Both DK and Russell scored 82 runs of 43 balls against Bolt, and with he three times dismissal. So not a much experience. So obviously they both are good. Narin not much contribute with his bad against Mumbai. Narin is not contribute with his bad against Mumbai. He will not getting. Hope today also. I don't know what he have do. But one thing about Narin if playing 10 balls he can score 20 to 30 runs. That's why you can try him captain vice captain. But I think he will not contribute with his batting. But if he contribute then only his bowling. So keep you in your mind. Then coming to but head to head, MI and KKR have most Lofisite history. Seriously, they totally disappointing history. Mumbai won 19 times out of 25 times. And only KKR wins 6 times. So obviously I accept it. But one thing I have to go, they are behind their win. There will be two-person and who getting wicket the main batsman of the KKR team. They both are not available. So you have to understand about it. One time you have to think about it. Now coming to Gill. Gill is this time paper very good. I am very excited to see him. Seriously, I see very most of videos and Bendel McCullough how describe about Gill to him. So obviously, yeah. Now coming to Pollard on his 115th match. So obviously Pollard in IPL here the 150th match. So obviously he can be a trump card also. You can take him. One thing I clear about Brendan McCallum. Brendan McCallum, the person as a cricketer I love most. Seriously, I love most. He so obviously you can for his set of mind in I think in T20 World Cup or 50 I am not getting that he coming from his retirement and he taking the charge of captain of New Zealand and then he going to and he have taken back Daniel Vettori and full team coming to full performance of excitement and he coming to the final of that time but he will not win the match but he coming to final and that of set of mind and he's an excellent person all about and he also played for KKR so I am very much excited to about Brendan McCallum and his thought also and just he won CPL title and as a coach from TKR so obviously I so much excited about Brendan McCallum. Then coming to Ali Khan. Ali Khan first time someone get chance from USA and he's excellent with his pace. Seriously, he's excellent with his pace and nobody know about very Indian players nobody don't know about Ali Khan. So obviously he can get a chance and he's a good death bowler. He's a good Yorker also. So you can Bumrah. He's the only bowler who create problem in STL. So obviously I am I have no favorable opinion. I have the reasonable opinion for every player. Bumrah obviously create problem in this match. You can go. The only bowler they can problem create this is Bumrah. Then coming to Sandeep Warrior is excellent in a practice game. Seriously, he's excellent bowling in practice games. Obviously. Then Rahul Char has a very bad record against KKR. You can go through Google. You can see last year videos also. Very bad record. So those who are known about Abu Dhabi T10, one thing I have now clear to you. Those who are known about Abu Dhabi T10, they all know about Russell and Ali Khan. Why? In T10, these three ground used for T10 matches, and both Russell and Ali Khan played here also. So they are totally known about the pitch, and they are very much known. And I think one match Russell total team will be score 183 in just 10 overs. So obviously they both are known about the ground very much. Then Surya Kumar known the team KKR very closely, so he can play. I think expect 30 to 40 runs from Surya Kumar Yadav. Why? He seriously one player Nareen Russell. He knows the player very closely. He spent much more time with KKR, so obviously he can play big. Not big, but much. So obviously he can score 30 to 40 runs. So here I discuss all 17 points one by one with a reason. Not in favorable for KKR, not in favorable for Mumbai Indians. So you have to understand that reason. I think it will help you more. So now coming to my default pick and defensive pick. Default pick De Kock, Surya Kumar Yadav, Nareen, Russell, Hardik, Bumrah, Gill. Do not change this. I don't take Rohit Sharma in my default pick, but because there will be coming some credit issue. So Rohit Sharma only giving the potential to give you point in batting, not bowling. So obviously you can try. If batting in second innings, then Rohit Sharma must in your team. Okay. If batting in second innings, if first innings, then I will to try to drop him. Then coming to defensive pick. Defensive pick, there will be more defensive pick in today's match. Who are they? Nagar Koti, Prasidh Krishna, Dinesh Karthik. Excellent record against Mumbai Indians. I told you earlier. Also, Bumrah not dismissed him. So obviously good. Nitish Rana, Rahul Chahar, Sandeep Warrior if play, Ali Khan if play, Kunal Pandya and Nathan Coulter. So these are my defensive pick. Today I will not see my team because I am waiting for lineup, because if KKR changes in lineup, there will be some, my thought will be going for to favorable for Mumbai. So I think wait for lineup. So I'm making my team in my logic. So I am just waiting for lineup. After coming lineup, I will give some base and I gave some suggestion for Grand League and Small League. So please wait for that and all. So here I conclude my video. So if you like my video, please share my video, and those who are new in my channel, so please subscribe my channel. And সো ভিডিওটা ভালো থাকলে অবশ্যই লাইক করো এবং তোমরা তোমাদের ভাইকে অবশ্যই সাপোর্ট করো। তোমাদের সাপোর্ট ছাড়া তোমাদের ভাই এগোতে পারবে না। তো দেখা হচ্ছে পরের ভিডিওতে। সো অবভিয়াসলি আজকে খুবই এক্সাইট আছে, আই থিঙ্ক আজ কিছু একটা তো হবে। চলো।